Hey everybody, Jason Wehrli with Wehrli Custom Fab. Today we're going to tell you about our L5P Duramax high flow 2-inch up pipe kit. The OEM up pipes have several shortcomings that we've improved upon with our heavy duty up pipe kit. We'll start with the wall thickness. The OEM up pipes are made from 80 thousandths wall material. Our up pipes are made from 120 wall material. The OEM pipes, about 1.75 inches in diameter on the outside, with several spots that are crushed down to under 1.5 inches in diameter. The WCFab up pipes are a full 2-inch in diameter for the whole length, with no crushed spots. The OEM up pipe bellows are notorious for failure on applications used in racing, high performance tuning, or just pushed to the absolute extreme. Our up pipes use a high quality, heavy duty stainless steel bellow. You won't fail these bellows. The kit also comes with new replacement GM gaskets, and we do have available separately our ARP up pipe bolt kit, which is a highly recommended purchase when installing these up pipes due to the failure-prone OEM hardware. Like all WCFab products, we take great pride in being American-made. These up pipes are no different, manufactured 100% in-house. Another great feature on our up pipes: they are compatible on OEM trucks. You don't need tuning or any other upgrades or modifications to install these up pipes. They are a direct OEM replacement. So that wraps up all the features and benefits of the WCFab up pipes compared to the OEM units. If you have any questions about them, please feel free to comment below, send us an email, give us a call. We'd be more than happy to help. Be sure to subscribe to our newsletter, our YouTube, and follow us on social media. Thanks a lot for watching.